On this occasion, we're showcasing the Serpent Temple, part of the tour guests can find at the new Lost Island Minigolf Park in Mallorca. This piece, like the entire park, was personally designed by David and has also been assembled, carved, and painted by David himself. This portal-shaped piece is installed in the park's tribal zone, allowing guests to feel the sensation of entering an ancestral and magical place, experiencing the adventure that is part of the park's concept. This piece, designed and sculpted entirely by David personally, is almost 4 meters high and is designed to house tropical and aromatic plants in the upper pots, as well as lighting in the eyes and a small water outlet from the snake's mouth. What makes David truly unique is his ability to develop the entire project from conceptual design to execution, including advice and construction direction throughout the process. In these images, we can see David, while carrying out the sculpting process of the pieces, his 25 years of experience in the theming sector facilitates the designed object to fit the final object with maximum fidelity. Achieving that ancestral and challenging look was a fundamental objective for David. What David has sought from the beginning is to involve the client in an authentic adventure, making the client mentally transport themselves to a magical environment. For David, this is the key to any successful thematic project. For David, it is essential to conceive not only the aesthetic aspect of the piece, but also the functional aspect, since these pieces had to have their corresponding irrigation, lighting, and drainage channels, but also their corresponding breakdown to be able to assemble their different parts. In these images, we can see the first water tests, checking the power of the pump in successive tests. It has been a pleasure to show you another corner of Mallorca's new mini golf course, and to have been able to travel this magical journey with you. Stay tuned for new and more magical adventures. Thank you.